Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features of this 420i M Sport Coupe. Presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. You also get included in that lovely styling kit a set of brand new 795M style alloy wheels that again are finished in the ferric grey. They also come with brand new tyres. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2018 18 plate, so we also get that lovely facelift. So we now have LED projector and LED angel eyes. Down the side of the car you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers and satin side vinyls along with gloss black sidebars. We've added the M4 style aero mirror caps. We've got the lovely black Dakota leather with white oyster highlights, as you can see there. Both passengers and drivers front come with electric lumbar and the heated seat option, and all of the interior is in superb condition. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've got an Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and again a darkened M Sport headlining, of course, all in superb condition. Making our way round to the back of the car, again I really want to show you off these fantastic looking wheels, and of course they are just one of a handful of sets of brand new style Mperformance alloy wheels. At the back we added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser, and of course BMW introduced these very eye-catching LED rear lights. And we'll move it round to the other side of the car because I want to get on inside the car as soon as possible, because there is yet more special features for you to take a look at, including one very sought after option in the form of the digital cockpit, or digital dashboard if you prefer. Moving on inside, we'll go ahead and take a look at that straight away. So upon first view you'll think it looks a fairly normal dashboard, but once we start the car you'll be able to see there that straight away it transforms itself. We get a lovely looking map view in the centre. As you can see there, it's giving me turn-by-turn directions. It currently thinks we're off-road, of course, because we're inside the showroom. However, once you're out and about and using that, you get a lovely view of that in the central screen, and that of course stays in the same position should we engage sport mode. However, we then get a lovely red back glow to everything, alongside a massive digital speedo to remind us of just how quick we are going. In terms of our lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, you can see there that of course having that larger screen does help you enhance using your satellite navigation, which also uses real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. In terms of Bluetooth, you've got both a Bluetooth telephone and audio. We've also got a wide array of multimedia options, including DAB, music collection, AUX, USB, and of course the Bluetooth audio I've just mentioned. Going back to the very main menu, we've also got the Connected Drive Plus, which keeps us connected using online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. And again, the car has its own onboard 4G network, so it does not use any of your own mobile data. You will have already seen there that this car's only covered just over 21,000 miles, and we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements and service history in just a second. Down here we see the dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats, and you'll see there that the next service for the car is not due for 9,000 miles time. And up in service history, you can see there we've got full BMW service history, including a pre-delivery inspection service. I did mention, of course, the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It's also got cruise control, speed limiter, a voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video of this stunning 420i M Sport Coupe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch it. Further information can of course be acquired by checking the link down in the description, along where you'll also find direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Once again, thank you, take care, goodbye.